3DEXPERIENCE from Dassault System is a business and innovation platform that connects people, ideas, data, and solutions in a single collaborative environment. Using the platform, we can seamlessly collaborate throughout the complete product lifecycle, right from design to manufacturing. Electromagnetics engineer role on the platform makes use of renowned cststudiosuite solver. The combination of 3DEXPERIENCE platform with cststudiosuite technology will enable customers to create and analyze electromagnetic behavioral models that simulate device function in a wide range of frequencies. Let us look into how a folded patch antenna that has been designed using SolidWorks can be analyzed using electromagnetic engineer role on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.
Once our folded patch antenna model is ready, we will save it on cloud. To make it easier to fetch these files anytime, we will add a bookmark. We can now see the saved status. To perform electromagnetic analysis on our antenna model, we can now fetch the saved files from cloud. Now by launching the electromagnetics engineer role, which uses cststudiosuite connected, performance of the folded patch antenna can be analyzed. Before accessing the antenna model from cloud, a suitable analysis template is chosen. The model can be loaded from the 3DEXPERIENCE content with the help of the previously defined bookmark using 3D search. The sources and the boundary conditions for the analysis are set up for the defined frequency range, and the appropriate solver is chosen with desired settings. We can now run the analysis and view the results using various post-processing features. Antenna performance can be evaluated from the S parameter plot in CST. We can also view the E fields, H fields, and far fields with respect to phase in the 2D, 3D results. These results can now be saved on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and can be accessed anytime.
With this overall workflow, we can understand how the 3DEXPERIENCE platform helps us to seamlessly collaborate between the folded patch antenna design and the electromagnetic simulation cycle.